Well, it took a long time. It took 5 years. 5 years from going from the iPhone 13 Pro Max to the newest edition, the iPhone 17 Pro Max. This came in the mail late last night. Um, haven't really got a chance to look at it, but it's finally here. I'm gonna open it, see what we got on the inside. Uh, excited about it. Excited about it. To see what we got. Hopefully, it's a good update. It's good to. Uh, it's good, just to get a new phone altogether. As you see, as I'm opening the box now, let's see what we got in here. Um, wow, and as you see right from the start, you can see the features that it had. Look at it, right from the start. You can see it look amazing. Look good. The other phone, this right here, this is an iPhone 13 Pro Max. As you can see, this is a 13. This is actually my wife's phone. This is an iPhone 16 Pro Max. iPhone 16
I just
Pro
got it
Max.
2 weeks ago.
She just got it 2 weeks ago. And then this is my daughter's iPhone 16e. And as you see, got the small camera on the back. She just got this 2 weeks ago. So I have all these iPhones on the table, but this is the main thing on what's going on, and this is what we're going to look at. Got the paper on the front, got the camera, SIR, right? I'm put that down right here. And what it comes with a USB-C charger. I already have so many of these chargers that I could just put this in for storage. And I think that's it. I think that's all. It got some instructions, the iPhone instructions. So we're going to take the paper off. We're going to get a clean look at it. Let's get the clean look. Clean look. Looks neat. This is the silver. Does this come off this paper? I don't know if this paper comes off or not.
I think so.
That's how it look. Compare side by side with the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Look about the same size, right? Look about the same size. Got the 3 cameras on the back.
But this one have their camera spread out to the side.
Yeah, this one right here got the camera spread out more to the side. But as you see with the 16E, there's a big difference back here. Same width, if you turn it side by side, but I also got the different features right here. And then if I come here, and I still have the case on this one, this is an old 5-year phone. This one got a lot of difference to it too. If you change it to the side, I got a case on there. It's about the same size. So that's what we have. I'm gonna go over the features and bring you guys up to date of what's going on. Now we back here with the iPhone 17 Pro Max. It's been a few hours, and actually I had to let some things, let the phone update to come into focus with the new updated software, iOS 26, and that took quite a bit to happen. But also it has a whole lot of new features that's on here. But one thing I wanted to correct was is the iOS 16e. I believe that I said it was the same size, and as you look at it, this is way smaller. So I want to make that correction. The Pro Max 17 Pro Max, it look good on the outside. It's nice, slim. This is my wife 16 Pro Max. It looks about the same size. It has some of the same features. You can see there's a camera on the back side. my wife enjoys it. Got a lot of things going for it, but with the Pro Max, it just has a little bit different look. A style is different, and it's just all around better. As you see right here, as you look at some of the features and you go side to side, you can see the new software update. It says it's supposed to have a different type of casing around. It don't have the same casing like the 16 or the 16E. It definitely don't have the same casing like my phone that I have here. This is a 13 Pro Max, and as you see, um, I believe this is it supposed to gel uh, with the features that it have in the new software, so it don't get overheat. Um, I don't know exactly what it is, but it works perfectly. So I'm just enjoying this 17 Pro Max and some of the features that it has on it, and we're gonna see what it do. Also, I brought this case that came in the mail before, and I'm gonna go ahead and get inside of it, and we're gonna run with this Pro Max. It actually took quite a bit to download all the software, all the apps, and everything else that came with it. So if you're updating your phone and you want to transfer some of the apps and some of the features on here, then make sure you download everything that you possibly can from your old phone, so you can make sure that things are done correctly and make sure everything is passed over. So it could take up to 3 hours or more to download and update all the apps from your previous phone. So I had a 13 Pro Max, and it took forever to just download and get everything that I had on here up to date with this phone. So, uh, it did what it did, got it in there, downloaded, and right now it's working great. All my software is down. AT&T is probably actually waiting on me to get this one back in. They're probably like, man, I thought he's gonna send this back. It's only been a couple of days, but I'm ready to get to trade this 13 Pro Max in, and just go ahead and move forward. So I enjoy the phone, enjoy everything about the phone, and we're going to test it out the next couple of days and see really what Apple have to offer. But it does have one thing I want to mention about this 17 Pro Max is the Apple Intelligence, and then also I want to mention about Apple screen all your phone calls and all your text messages, and that's huge because I get a lot of phone calls and text messages, and I necessarily don't like all those unnecessary calls. I like my calls to actually be screened first, and see, because I get a lot of random people that call me and advertise, man, or whatever else. So I like for Apple to screen my calls and tell me who it is on the other line. So like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in a few.